Hello guys, let's start exercising about what we took last time. Then we will talk about the data types. In the beginning, we will take input. What is input exactly? Input is a function taking some data from the user. For example, what is your name? And he will write input. What is your name? And he will write his name. If we run this one, look, what is your name? And he will take my name. That's it. Okay, let's merge what we took with variables. So we will put name equal input what is your name. So when the user enter his name, it will go directly for the variable name. We will not put directly name like what we did before. Okay, so this is currently we are making something flexible for the users. So what is your name? And the user will put his name and we can print it. After that, print name. Run. What is your name? My name is Reem. Look, print Reem. So let's make something more complex. So let's start with to make age calculator. How we can calculate it? We will take first thing birth year. Birth year equal. We will take an input from the user. What is your birth year? The user will enter his birth year. We will calculate the age equal 2025 minus birth year. Then we print age. Okay, let's try it. What is your birth year? 1993, for example. Unsupported operand type. What does this mean? Now, when the user inputting a number, it will come here, right? This is a string between two double quotation. It's a string. Now we want to deduct 2025, which is integer, from a string. We cannot make this. We have to make this birth year as also integer. And this is the converting between types. Okay? If we make like this, so we have integer birth year, and we have here 2025 is integer, so age will be an integer, then printing age will be an integer. Let's try again. 1993, look, 32. Why? We change the type. Okay. What is our data type? String. This is the conversion. We can use a string and we will write like this. Okay. We have integer. We have Boolean. We have float. What is float? It's integer with decimals. Integer is a whole number. Okay, let's try it now again. 1993.5. Will not work. with the integer, even it's integer, but it will not work. So if we change it to float, one 199.4.3, look, now it's working. Don't expect everything will be done from the user, and this is a huge important note you have to take care. Don't expect from the user he will enter everything correctly, or logic. He can enter anything. That's why the Boolean value is here, false or true. We will make a lot of things with it. But here, what is the birth year? Nothing called 193.5. That's not logic. Okay? So don't expect from him. He can enter for you a string. You are telling him, enter your birthday. He will write for you a name. That's normal. And you are taking care of all of this while you are programming. We will take a lot of things to avoid any error will come after that in the future. So now, after we know a lot about this, now we can change from float to string and from string to integer. That's all by converting. Okay, so let's make a small calculator. Okay, and we will make complicating for the input. So let's make another calculator. It will be sum calculator. So first number equal input, please enter your first number. Okay, we will complicate it a little bit and we will make this as an integer from beginning. We can make it like this directly, no use for converting after that. The second thing, we will take the same and we will make second number. We will take the first number and the second number, result equal first number plus second number, right? Then we will print result. Okay, both are integer, and this will be the result. If the user enter anything not integer, it's a float, like we mentioned, it will become an error. So we can mention from beginning float. That's better. Enter your first number 10, second number 20.5, first number 10, 20.5. It's working. Okay, take care of the sensitivity. Okay, so let's make it little bit complicated. So after we see the result, we will add something to level the things up. We will print something for the user. Okay, so we can print the result and we will write, for example, this is your result. Okay, and after we are closing this double quotes, we are making plus sign, then result. This is your result and this is plus and result. Okay, if we are making like this and make run, we will get an error. Why? This is a float, right? Float. So the result is float. Okay, we need to make it as a string. So we need to make str. We will convert it to string like this. So string plus string. Okay. Okay. First number 20, 50 point. This is your result and give us the result. There is here a space we need to add. Okay, like this. Okay, 23 plus 1, 23 plus 1. If we didn't put string and work like this, it will give us this error that we cannot use string with float. We have to convert it to string first, then we can mix them up. Okay, that's clear now. If you are reading these errors, you will always make something really good in Python. It's really very easy language and you can work with it all the time. So see you next session. We will talk about variables and we will talk about what we can make with a string and how we can play what is inside the string we input.